always looking for new ways to curl my hair. I love that curly hair look. It's really nice and girly and cute, and I'm always up for a good curl in the hair, and the longer it can last, the better it is for me. So I discovered satin rollers, so I got a pack. Well, they're basically just satin rollers with a sponge inside, and you just curl them around your hair. It's my first time trying them out. I'm just gonna try them and see how these curls are gonna turn out, and because mostly I just plait my hair to achieve curls, but I'm trying to experiment with new ways. So here I am with some satin rollers. Now I'm gonna wet my hair. I'm literally just gonna stand in the shower and just douse my hair with water, because I feel like if you're gonna curl your hair, it has to be like really rich in moisture. Always make sure that your hair is highly moisturized before you curl it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be right back so we can start curling my hair with these satin hair rollers. Went into the shower and soaked it. Make sure the water went there like really into my hair, because it's the action of the drying of your hair that will give you these curls that you desire once you set them. I have some baobab oil. I'd advise you to only use this if you feel like you need to. I just feel like the moisture is held in better if I put a little bit of oil, guys, very little. And if you're gonna use any other oil, make sure it's a liquid oil. So I'm just gonna rub that in to my hair a little bit. So we're gonna need baobab oil, first thing we're gonna use, and the second thing we're gonna use is this moisture spritz that I have got from Tricia's Natural. Where is the focus? Yeah, there we are. Let's see. There we go. So I'm just gonna spray this into my hair, and I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair as I go. This is sort of like the routine I have when I'm curling my hair. Either way, even though this is the first time I'm using the satin rollers, which surprisingly I also call pillow rollers. I hope that means that I can sleep with them easy at night, because you don't want to have something so heavy if you're gonna keep it in the night in your hair for a few days. So I don't know how we're gonna partition my hair. I think I'll just try and I'll just do my usual, guys, sort of like a side partitioning thing. And because I'm not sure that I have enough rollers, I'm gonna start from the front and then make my way back to the back. So I'm just gonna partition my hair to the side. Really, I'm not using any fancy sort of partitioning. Any fancy partitioning method. And I think I will start with this part here. Just taking a small section of my hair. Just take a small section like this, and then I will spray my Tricia's Natural Hair Moisture Spritz. And then I'll just take my hair and just roll it all the way around. And just roll it in and just tuck it in, tuck the edges in, if that makes sense. And it's the first time I'm doing this. I hope that's will hold. That looks decent. So I'm just going to take another section with my hair. Yeah, so same thing. take your pillow, I call them pillow rollers, I think that's quite cute. Soft satin pillow rollers. I'm also learning, so let's see, trying to get the grip of it as I move on. I just roll it. Guys, I'm literally just winging it through here, okay? Literally just winging it. Rolling my hair in and tucking it in. But they hold so well. Like, I'm sure I'm gonna get better at this, but they hold so well. Just do this. Well, so far feels okay. And it's only recently that I feel like I've been sort of playing with my hair a bit more and trying to curl it more often, because you check my pictures back the last 2-3 years, I was just having my hair down, or yeah, I never really played around with sorry, I need to tuck some of these loose ends in. I never really played with styling my hair, and I'm having so much fun with it. And like, my best way to style my hair these days is getting all these nice curls, so that's why I'm experimenting with like different techniques of curling my hair. So I mean, they hold pretty well if you ask me, and I can tell that I'll probably have an easy time sleeping. They don't feel like bulky or uncomfortable. So I'm gonna finish curling my hair, and then I'll be back and show you how it turns out. But so far they feel very comfortable and very secure. So yeah, let me get to doing the rest. I'm gonna keep this on overnight, and thankfully the bag, I used every single one of them. Like, the bag was enough. I don't know how many there were. I'm gonna count them when I take them off. I'm gonna count them and I'll let you know. I'll put a number here, but I think to be safer, you'd rather just get 2 bags, just to make sure you're on the safe side, because I really had to be careful towards the back to make sure that I had enough of the rollers. So thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow when I take these off. And now I'm just gonna go take my shower, make dinner, and go to bed. Day 2 since I put my satin pillow rollers on. I put them on Friday. I meant to take them out yesterday, which was Saturday, but today is Sunday, so it's been 2 nights with my satin pillow rollers. So we're gonna take them out and see how the curls turned out. I'll let you guys know that for sure they were very, very, very comfortable to sleep in. Oh, let's see. And they're very easy to take off as well. Do we like these curls? Let me not judge too soon. So easy to take off. I love that. So we have all of them out now. Just need to sort of like style my hair in. I really like this vibe, guys. Just gonna finger comb them through. Oh, I love it. I really love this, guys. It really is a nice different sort of wavy curl that I'm not very used to, and I'm really feeling this. I'm keen to hear what you guys think in the comment section below, so please let me know what you think. Give me ideas of how to curl my hair. Like, I love curling my hair. I think it's such a really beautiful way to have your sister locks or your natural hair. So please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.